Starview Court at 78 Johnson Street on Treasure Island in San Francisco Bay is HUD-subsidized affordable housing. It is a 7-story, 138-apartment residence named for the Navy's former Starburst Barracks. Starview Court on redeveloped Treasure Island. 3 new residences on Treasure Island in San Francisco Bay. This Google map shows Starview Court and Maceo May affordable housing and Isle House, a market-rate project superimposed over a map of the old Starburst Barracks, which was demolished in 2016, and near the Great Lawn, which is now a construction zone. Starview Court, 78 Johnson Street, Maceo May Apartments, 55 Crevasse Street, Isle House, 1 Bruton Street. At Starview Court, amenities include a community room with a shared kitchen. The community room is big and echoey. A group is just leaving.
Call me. Don't be afraid to call me.
Yeah.
Won't call me?
Yes. Tomorrow, yes.
Tomorrow.
Goodbye, thank you.
You will. Okay. Yes.
See you soon. Get some sleep.
I gotta go upstairs. Done. I'm stuck. Okay.
Out those doors is a closed courtyard shown here 3 years ago when it was under construction in 2022.
A tarp? You need a tarp? Just hold each other up. I don't know about the tarp.
Do you want to go to Boudin and get it?
I've said yes.
Okay. It closed at 9.
Tree fun.
We have to do the square.
Okay, sorry guys. Calm down, it happened a lot. We're gonna get you suspended. There's that. Where's the mountain?
Look, do you see the fiery sun in here on there? See that? It's the fiery sun. The sun is setting through the blinds as people leave. Look at this marble top, and I think the floor is marble. Is this floor marble or is it tile?
Cement, polished cement.
Is it polished cement? Look at the ceiling. How they've done this. It's very nicely designed, but the rooms are way too small. Way too small. This is a typical kitchen. That's nice enough, I suppose. Down there is a bathroom. This is a closet. Very dim in here. All the light seems to be over in this area. Residents are charged more for less space. And as with any big city housing project, Starview Court residents can no longer step out into a front yard with grass as they could when they lived in Navy townhouses.